Hey guys, today I got a lot of these fidgets, so let's show you guys what I got. First I got this, which I already opened this. Second, I got this. I really want to open it. It's called a snap spinner. It's a fidget spinner, but it's kind of like a quadruple dimple. Can't really spin that fast. Still, I really like it. And it's tie-dye too. Can't spin it on the floor, but spin. So those are two things I got. Third thing, this mess and marble. I meant marble and mess, whatever it's called. I don't really care. This, I'm gonna have to open these with scissors. So, I'm gonna go get the scissors. I need scissors to open this.
Stay out there long. Right back to your room.
That's because I'm filming.
Oh.
So let's cut it. Okay guys, that's the cutting part of what we're going to be doing. But let's see what it's like. Oh, mind. Okay, so let's see this. I'll see this. So now I'm going to open it like that. That's so cute. Sounds so nice. So next are my two favorites, the puppets. I got an ABC popsicle puppet. There's the ABCs on it. So, let's get this. Whoa. This is it outside of the box. What's that? Just some paper. Okay. This is it outside of the box. You can't really see, but there's ABCs on it. And let's test it out. And there's also numbers on it. How cute. It's very good. This doesn't sound like the loud side. Okay, the side that's not loud, it feels like it's the loud side. That's really good quality. I would definitely recommend getting this. So cute. Next up is another poppet. And I also got another thing too. I also got this. And my last poppet. Grandma? Grandma? Let's see this thing. Whoa. This is a very good poppet looking thing. Among Us poppet. It's a rainbow Among Us poppet. Very nice to pop. Wow. And finally, the loud side. So nice. This is so good. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Oh, I forgot. Also, I got this one too. I got this one, which I already unboxed. Let's see this one. If it's different. And by the way, this one's very, like, sticky. So, let's see if this one's not sticky. This one isn't that sticky. So that's good. And this is more quality. So I would rate this thing a 5 out of 10. And this thing a 7 out of 10. Yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.